All right, boys and girls, this is like a seed unboxing video. So the first thing is I went to a teacher training at the Cibolo Nature Center in Bernie last Saturday, and one of the science teachers brought all these seeds from another school. HEB had donated thousands of seeds to them, and they can't use them all. So we have all kinds of things. These are a flower called Cosmos. This is a type of lettuce. It's called mesclun, I think is how you say it. Here's some summer squash, so we don't have to buy those seeds. Ooh, look at these radishes. They're called dragon's tail radishes. We've got some carrots. Here's some lettuce. Oh, here's basil. We have basil. I love this. Ooh, okra. I want some more. It's been amazing this year. Broccoli. Here's some corn. We want to plant corn in our big bed by the street. Some radishes. I can plant those now. They'll grow before the first freeze. Look, these are tomatoes, but they look like yellow pears, but they taste like tomatoes. Sweet peppers. Some white corn. Look at this winter squash. That's pretty cool. We have some green beans, zucchini, cowpeas. Those are black-eyed peas. I don't know what they're talking about. Ooh, some spinach. Different kind of pea, and then they start repeating. I did see some flowers here. Oh, zucchini. Here's a sunflower packet. Now this box came from a company that's called Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company, and I heard about their website from one of the district science teachers, and they said you can send them an email and ask for free seeds for your school. Oh my goodness. Look at these. We've got some melons. Look at these squash. They look like pumpkins. Ooh, a bitter melon, that's fancy. Onions, these are stock. That's what it's called, and it's a fancy flower. What's this one? Ooh, lemon balm. That smells good. Ooh, Mizuna pink. That looks like a lettuce. Ooh, banana peppers. Chinese pink celery. I've never heard of pink celery before. Oh, orange, peach-looking tomatoes. There's all kinds of things in here. Pansies, look how fancy those are. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, boys and girls. I can't wait until we can plant more of these in the spring. Look at those funny carrots. Are you as excited as I am? It's so fun getting presents like this.